Bwskangni chini November salmarni Tifra mothani kotor logokuthum pandawo TISF rokbo Greta Tifra ni chobabo tongo choba khanyani bugi tiar tongo obohaino koksaka koktoma thoni bwskango juda juda TISF subdivision ni ring sirmai rokno thansani phanotebo ragnani bagi koimong narakha Whatever shaka phungni damsuko hai tamani shakang malancho niwaso phai kuthumlai astabol thangna bagi
By media rono oro phaima bagai sentini freshman khaimang ka aitise je 12 tariko geta tripolanti sing student obo buwagan loged nai hini singoro tini freshman khaimai singoro freshman khaina thanga gai oro sing agotola subdivision hoite khaika tanga agotola se astabol ground songna ka ba sing agotola subdivision PIC bisini sing kaisa hini freshman ma khayo karon kai sing oro kungma student omo sao je singbo phai thangsa khai bubagan pal khai loged lainai gang sing tini kumulung subdivision Bishalgor subdivision, Jirania subdivision, Jompujor subdivision, Agotol subdivision. So fully sabut khai geta tepolana sabut khane. Gabon bagin sung joto student no Agotola tomi porine no ang ringhoro by tai kobogo phaji sung joto thangsa khai bubagan logene 12 tariko mas gederingo sung joto student no ang koyo sung 9 tan bisingo mansoni basa gathering khajai sung mansoni basa hatino Lady Kai Fay asked the world handsome fine, some Jota Agotol Tomi Porinay, they Pori to me by Barini Fori by Agotolani, Hakan is this student fine, some non Totom Tower, Mansonivas of Fadi, some Mansonivas gathering Kaye, Mrs. Kaye, some Astabola Hamnai, some Joton Tansaka Contisan of a gay, some Tino by Kobogo, they press with Makayo. In get time, in case some Jora. Jotona kobongai 19 bisingo agotol je student tongai rongma phai mansoni baso sing mansoni baso ton thangsa khai sinoro flag tongai sing joto TISF rok no sanai kaisa saita sungna bagai je student final no phai sing bai krengai kaisa saita sung joto no TISF ni flag tie gathering o hablai joton thangsa khai kaisa saita sungai sing student simino ang request kanai Agotolani je college ni student rongna phai sing bai thangsa khai samung khai bubagan phungna hi sini student power sung hambai
ang betsiba develma ikfa unit ni TISF ni joint convener tei angno mithani koboknam chungo bubagra bai chongjak of hainai 12th of November ro sung mass gathering go joto students rok bubagra ni support ngi basanai tei au melanchar ni waso by 9 bimbisingui norok phaisok pai baidi sung ajagani thika rally khainai astagolo sung gathering khaibainai aboni bagai angjo to brilong no bo koina muchugo sung palke ongkhana nango aboni bagai norok joto no naito to ke nong traditional narakna ni bagai nong cultural dress kana bhabina bagai naito to ke hambai